Okay, so usually I don't make a request for sharing a video. I usually say that do read more about it. It means that we have discussed a particular idea, we have discussed a particular concept in the ICU short or the long video, and now you need to read about it and you need to build up on it, and then it will get imbibed in your memory. But as today ESBICM is completing 6 years of its journey on 11th October 2024, it's sixth anniversary of the organization, and we have lot of updates for you this year. So I want you to share this video with each and every colleague of yours, each and every healthcare person whom you know who is working in critical care, maybe in your state, country, city, or even in a different nation whom you know, because all the updates for all the updates we are not charging anything, and this may help them in learning the topics, improving their skills, upgrading their careers, and ultimately it will help to give a better care to the critically ill patients. So I'll enumerate certain updates. All the updates are available and details are available on esbicm.org website. So it's a single website where you can get all the information, esbicm.org. So first and foremost is for all the ESBICM members and viewers, we have brought and developed a dedicated ESBICM members panel. So it can be accessed at esbicm.org/membership. So if you are new to ESBICM, you can go and register on it, apply for membership, and once you have updated your profile and it get reviewed, you will be allotted a membership number. It will be free of cost, no charge for that, but you need to fill the details correctly. And once your membership number gets activated, you will get access to exclusive lectures, online classes, workshop, conferences. You can request a lecture, and not only that, you can apply for academic volunteers, which we'll discuss later on, and also you can submit your interesting cases if you feel worth sharing. So new members can apply on esbicm.org/memberships, and those members who have already become ESBIC member or have applied for ESBIC membership before today, means up to 10th October 2024, can go to the same link and then log in with their email ID as username and mobile number as their password. You don't need to use the country code. If you are able to log in with this, fine. If not, then you can always forget password link you can use and regenerate your password. So after that, you need to log in and you need to complete your profile, and your a fresh membership number will be allocated to you. Now the good thing is this dedicated ESBIC members panel we are launching on Android app also. As we are saying this, the ESBICM app is now available on Android, Google Play Store, and you can go and download it. Just search ESBICM on Google Play Store and it's available for download on Android devices. And for those members who are not having Android, those who are on iPhones and iOS, not to worry, you can go in their browser, Safari or Chrome, esbicm.org/membership, and it will work as good as app in your phone. And you can get all the details for this app and links on esbicm.org. So this is the first thing. So dedicated member panel with lot of benefits, because this app is evolving. So for a couple of few weeks you may find some sections vacant or locked, but they will get filled up very soon. Now the second thing is regarding the ICU channel. So in the ICU channel, we receive so many requests at most of the times that we need this lecture, we need this lecture. Can you provide explanation for this? And most of the time, we feel that we have already made a video for that. Either it is not coming in the search, or they are not able to browse the videos in the channel. So what we have done is we have made 13 playlists. 13 playlists according to the topics like antibiotics, like nursing, like mechanical ventilations, ICU essential and all. So all this list of 13 playlists are available on esbicm.org or on the ICU channel on YouTube per se. So now you can go to a particular playlist and then you can browse the topics of interest. You can search in it and you will get the details. So, and not to worry, if the topic is not there, you can request for a lecture from the ESBIC members panel, request a lecture, and we will keep updating the lectures on the channel. So 13 playlist we have divided on the channel. When you go to the esbicm.org and click on the ICU channel, there is a section which explains the purpose of all the 13 playlist. So you can go into the detail which playlist purpose is what, and it's self-explanatory actually. So this is one thing. And regarding the ISO channel, one point to be told to you that the long lectures, detailed lectures, and the ICU case series is coming back. So we'll be discussing cases which we see in which we came across ourselves or our members came across, and we'll be sharing those cases for learning. And you can always send your cases to us as academics@esbism.org. Now, the third update is regarding the discussion forums. Discussion forums is a very good platform on esbism.org where you can ask any question, you can get detailed answer. The community of healthcare professionals help each other. The important thing this year is we have expanded and reshuffled the ESBICM forums, and now when you go to the ESBICM forums, you will have a core topic list, core topic section, and followed by subject system wise discussion forum like gastroenterology, neurocritical care, respiratory critical care, obstetrical critical care, dedicated nursing column. So it's structurally divided into multiple sections, and now you can start asking in this particular section. If you are searching for particular thing, you can find in ESBICM forums. So again, the link is available on esbicm.org. Now the fourth thing is Google Groups. Many of the members requested us that there can be an email system where we can find the updates regarding what are the activities coming up, or if we want to share certain documents, certain guidelines, or something of that sort, it can help, because at times if the email comes to us, it becomes easy for us to review. So for that, earlier, this ESBICM Google group was only available to ESBICM members per se, but now we have opened to all. So you can just go to esbicm.org and apply for joining the ESBICM Google group, which is a mailing list, and it will help you to receive documents and the information regarding the activities which are coming up of the ESBICM. Now, the next thing is regarding the ICU data archive. So this is something which is very much requested, and we are developing it for a last couple of years. The speed is a little bit slow because we're working on other updates, but now this archive is increasing. What this ICU data archive means, the day-to-day signs and symptoms which we found in our ICU and which you people share with us, like X-ray, CT, like clinical signs, and there are something spot diagnosis sort of, we are putting it there in the ICU data archive so that you can go through it, improve your clinical skills, improve your bedside clinical skills, try to figure out what is wrong and right in this particular investigations or monitor or machines, equipments, many things are there. So ICU data archive will help you to get an exposure of a lot of things which are there and which you can pick the spot diagnosis, or you see what is happening, and it will help you a lot of improvement in your vigilance in the ICU. Then from this year, I'll be starting writing on the website, means esbicm.org. We'll starting a blog, means ICU blog on esbicm.org, because it is being very much requested by many members that though the content is there in the lot of textbooks and the manuals and in the references book, but if we can have certain short summaries of certain topics like deep diabetic ketoacidosis or traumatic brain injury or MI or arrhythmias or some practical things, if we can have summary of something which we can read and which can we understand in a better simplified way. So from this year, I'll be starting the ICU blog, which is there on esbicm.org. So soon you will find my articles written on it, and you can go and always have a reference on it. You can always send me suggestions on academics@esbicm.org or Dr. Ankur@esbicm.org. Now the other thing is we have also presence on other two platforms, which is Instagram and Telegram. At both the places you can find us at with the name of the ICU channel. And the good thing about Instagram is we'll be sharing certain behind the scenes and certain casual things also on Instagram, because on YouTube and Telegram we share very academic stuff on it, but on Instagram we can have some lighter moments, some your submissions also will be shared. It will be short, and so you can find us on Instagram also and on Telegram. The Telegram group is particularly useful for me to share my thoughts with you, because I can record my audio and send in clips to you. So it helps a lot at times to answer your queries directly instead of typing. You send me a certain query and I found some questions on the forum. I upload it there so that on the spot, at a very fast turnaround, I can share my voice clips to make you understand better. So do join the Instagram account and also the Telegram account. Now, the most important part is academic volunteers. Last year, we announced that we are opening registration for academic volunteers, but somehow we could not approve them because of certain restrictions. So from this year, we have made the process a little simpler, and also now our approval process has got strengthened a little more. So it means that what academic volunteer means that first you need to be a part of ESBICM, and you need to have your membership ID, membership number, which you can always get generated on get after approval on the membership panel. In the same membership panel or on the mobile app, you can apply for academic volunteer. When your profile gets approved for academic volunteership, you will be a part and representative of ESBICM, and then it will help you to take request of your colleagues, request of your organization. You can organize events. You can ask us to deliver lectures or workshops there. You can have a direct communication with me and our team so that we can develop the things in a better way. We can understand the local needs of different countries. We can different colleges, different cities and states, and we can modify the content, modify the learnings according to them. Some may require ventilator workshop, some may require an ECG workshop, some may require a neurocritical care, some may require an obstetrical critical care, some may require basic examination. Requirement may vary from, but as an academic volunteer you will be in a better position to get the activities done, and you can get direct in connection with us. You can discuss with us your doubts, and also you can help your peers and colleagues. So these are some of the few updates. All other updates which are there are available on esbicm.org, and especially the Android users can download the app now on ESBICM as ESBICM on Google Play Store. Again, today I am personally requesting you to share this video with each and every healthcare professional who is working or associated directly or indirectly with critical care or intensive care. Share with them. We don't charge for it, but we want that we should reach to the most remote ICU across the world, so that anybody who is working in the intensive care unit gets empowered with the education, can get empowered with the bedside critical care medicine, intensive care medicine, and it can help to develop their confidence, skill, their career, and also ultimately the better care of critical patients. So thank you all. We are now 6 year old. We have come a lot far from where we started, and this year you will are going to have lots and lots of activities from ESBICM. So download the app from Google Play Store, and for Apple users, go to esbicm.org or esbicm.org/membership for the same. So again, thank you, and thank you for all your supports, and keep your suggestions coming us at academics@esbicm.org. Thank you.